Hi guys, today I want to share a really easy recipe for homemade lemon curd. This lemon curd is perfect to spread on toast, and you can also use it for all kinds of baking. You want to start by washing the lemons well, and then you want to juice them. Now you want to take a small pot and add the egg yolks to it. Then whisk shortly with a whisk just to break the structure of the egg yolks. Then you want to add the sugar and mix it in so that it's all well combined. Once you have the sugar mixed well with the egg yolks, you can start adding the lemon juice. You want to strain the lemon juice before you add it or while you're adding it. And then you want to mix very well so that you get the lemon juice mixed in with the egg yolks and the sugar, and also make sure to scrape those sides so you have all of the egg and all of the sugar mixed into the lemon juice. Then you want to transfer the pot to heat and start cooking it over medium heat while whisking continuously. Also, you will need a thermometer set to 85 Celsius degrees. So we are going to heat the mix until it reaches 85 degrees, and while heating you want to mix continuously so that the eggs don't start to cook. You don't want any lumps in your lemon curd, so continue mixing while you're heating it so that that doesn't happen. Once you've reached 85 degrees, remove the mix straight away from heat, and also I would suggest to transfer it into a glass bowl because that will speed up the cooling process. Now again, use your thermometer and allow the mix to cool to 50 degrees. Once it has reached 50 degrees, you can add the butter and start blending it in with an immersion blender. You want to blend the butter in until it's all combined and until you have a beautiful and glossy lemon curd. Then you want to transfer the lemon curd right away into clean jars. Allow the lemon curd to cool completely in room temperature before you store it in the fridge. Then you can store it up to 2 weeks in the fridge or up to 1 year in the freezer. I hope you enjoyed watching this easy homemade lemon curd tutorial, and if you did, please don't forget to leave me a like for support and subscribe for some more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.